called Captain Muganza Regan. He attacked the premises of Electoral Commission last night and tried to break the padlocks. He broke actually some of them. They inserted ballots in favor of Kibuule. We reported this matter to the Secretary Electoral Commission. The returning officer's number was off. DPC came into action. They ran away. And as we talk now, we don't know now the stake at the Electoral Commission. We wanted to bring the country on notice, and we call upon our people to still remain peaceful. We are not calling about anybody to start demonstrating. We are first taking all avenues possible to ensure that we sit with all the security organs for peace to prevail in this district. We distance ourselves from security officials who are saying that we are calling upon people to start demonstrating and to burn tires so that they can slam on us offenses and cases of terrorism. We are aware about their plans, but we are very sorry we are not going to play into your hands. We are very sober, and we call upon our people to remain peaceful and to go and vote. Come Tuesday, please come in big numbers to vote for the mayor of Mukono municipality. We are aware about the meeting which Muganza prevailed in Mpoma barracks to make plans to rig our election in Mukono municipality here in favor of NRM candidate. Please, our people, come in big numbers, vote and vote for NUP, vote for Umbrella. Even when it comes to fourth, come in big numbers to vote NUP in Nama, in Champisi, in all our councillors and in all sub-counties. Please come in big numbers so that we can sweep NRM once and for all, especially when we are going for 26th day. We call upon our NRM people, friends, brothers, sisters, fathers. Please remind yourselves about the agenda of NRM when they were going to the bush. The main issue was about the vote rigging. As we are approaching 40 years in power, you are doing the same. Please revisit yourself, come back into your senses, do away with this curse of vote stealing, of beating the people and keeping our people in the bush. Because we are aware security organs are looking for our people are no longer sleeping at home. They have put many in prison, in unknown places. People are sleeping in the bush because they are looking for them. For the reasons we don't know.
Okay, Honorable. It's
very, very simple. Once the results have arrived at the tally center, you read what you have received. Tally and declare a winner. There is no any other option that you have to revisit again. I have declared the wrong person. Now I'm declaring the wrong rightful person. Even if they had declared Muyanja wrongly, you cannot revisit that position. To revisit it, you have to go to court. So, I'm sorry for my teacher, Mukome. You got Ebya Byanswa. You got Ebya Byanswa. Muyanja was declared first. He is the rightful elected chairman of Mukono district. She was declared Ebya Byanswa because of the pressure which he had mounted. Okay. The organs who are trying to prove that they are pro-NRM up so close to the system. We are receiving various information that they want to harm me, specifically me. I'm becoming a problem, a president in Mukono, whom am I calling myself? They want to abduct me forever to make sure that maybe a by-election can stand in Mukono North. But I assure you, even if I'm dead, another Mulima Mayuni will arise. Even if I'm killed, another Mulima Mayuni will arise. Kibuule will never become a member of parliament again. We are ready to fight tooth and nail to ensure that he doesn't come. Even good enough, even all, I have never seen this. Even NRM supporters from the grassroots there, in Chirukaru Chimbuguma there, they don't support him because of his behavior, because of his conduct. So, another candidate, maybe he can try his best. The way other candidates tried to tussle out with the numbers, with the Chiwanuka, with the... They can try. But with him, he is at the worst. Thank you. I have talked to General Damolira, is the Director of Crime Intelligence. I have talked to the DPC here. They are all aware. There is no way a person can die anywhere and state, and this is not Vikaramoja, this is Mukono, and the champs is just here. Up to now, nobody. And the road to my home has cameras. Let them start with those cameras. Urunaku lwencha ku Monday igenda ku celebratinga emyaka 40 nga Mwami Museveni atudde kuli naye nga bwe bajjukira emyaka 40 kyetaaga ne bajjukira ensonga enkulu ezabaleeta mu nsiko ezabatwala mu nsiko ekyaviirako n'abantu abasukka emitwalo 50 okufiira mu lutalo olwabaleeta mu buyinza. Ensonga yali enkulu basebo ne banyabo, ensonga yali enkulu kyali kibba bululu. Era Mwami Museveni ensonga gye yeekwasa n'agenda mu nsiko. We tutuukidde essaawa eno ng'obululu ate babubbera ddala kire n'okusinga obote nti omuntu bukeera ku makya ne bamulonda era nga muwanga bye baakola ne balangirira mu muntu mulala ne Mwami Museveni yennyini byakola balivisitinge beekubemu mu kifuba bagambe tukyali ku nnono ezaatutwala mu nsiko nga ba-celebrating. Otherwise olunaku olw'enkya nga bwe tuyimiridde olwaleero terukyali worth to be celebrated. Nga bwe batukozeeko obwabuliisa maanyi obutujju bwe bakubukoze n'ewalala bwe babukoze ne Wakiso bali mu kuwagala kubukola ku Nakwedde n'ewalala. Actually bagwana kalabba. Buli yeenyigira mu nsonga zino yeetaaga kalabba. Any other mtecha ina misingi kwa imiridde. Why? Ensonga zabadde beewaanirako naddala za demokrasi ekibba bululu bo bennyini kye bakola ki? Kye bakola.